Okay, we're gonna shake things up. On this video, I'm gonna come at it from this direction instead of the other direction, just to make things fun. So this is a surface station model. The parts of it, up here, the temperature, down here is the dew point temperature. If there's any weather occurring, the symbol goes right here between these two numbers. The symbols you need to know, dots represent rain, lines represent fog, little star shapes or asterisks, those represent snow, and that symbol represents a thunderstorm. I'll back up to this. This represents how cloudy it is. If it's totally colored in, it means it's completely cloudy outside. If it's empty, that means it's clear outside. The air pressure goes up here. This line shows the direction the wind is from. That's an easy thing to get backwards, so keep that straight. It's easy to remember because lots of times this looks like an F. That's which way it's from. I jotted down the word speed because these little tails here tell you how fast it is. You do not need to memorize how many tails equals how many miles per hour. Just know more little tails means faster wind. Other than that, you've got to be able to match one of these to a city on a map. So let's just draw a map real fast. I've got a low pressure center, I've got a warm front, I've got a cold front. If I had a city over here and over here and over here, and I had three surface station models, what if one of them was 70 degrees, one of them was 60 degrees, and one of them was 50 degrees? If this is city A, this is city B, this is city C, which one's probably the warmest? Well, you've got to look at this situation and say this is a cold front, so the air up here is probably cold. This is a warm front, so all this air in here is probably warm. And in front of it, I just know it's colder than this, so we'll say it's probably cool. So if I had to guess, I would say this is that one, because it's the warmest. I'd say this is probably A, because it's the coldest, and this is probably the one that's in between. What if I showed you that one of them had, let's take away the temperatures. What if I said one of them has a thunderstorm going on and was completely cloudy? Let me move my city real quick. And what if I said one was partly cloudy and the other one is clear? Yeah, let's go with that. Where are the clouds at typically? Well, around low pressure areas, that didn't help, and in front of fronts. So which one's probably completely cloudy? City B. Which one's probably partly cloudy? Probably city C. Behind the front, it tends to be clear, so that's probably city A. Now, the other kicker is the thunderstorms. Thunderstorms usually happen in front of cold fronts, so that goes back to city B. Just one more thing to help you. Let's try this one more time. What if I gave you the air pressure? Let's put city B right up here. Let's put city A way over here, and city C is right there. Okay, I want you to notice, this one is really close to the low, so what's its pressure probably going to be? We'll say 1,000, and then let's just make one 1,010 and one 1,020. Which one has the lowest pressure? That one. Which city is that? It's probably city B because it's close to the low pressure center. Which one's got the highest pressure? Probably A because it's the furthest from the low pressure center. So that's how you use a map and connect it to surface station models.